Hello, this is about the Mediterranean biome at the Eden Project. We've tried a different approach here as we couldn't take much footage as it was very busy with visitors. The purpose of the Eden Project is to educate and foster an understanding of the relationship between plants and people. This sign is placed above the door and it's about 30 feet long, and it gives you an idea of the sort of relationship that there is between people and plants within the world and the effect that this has. At the entrance of the biomes there are places to eat, and each biome leads off this entrance. As you enter the Mediterranean biome, you are aware that it is very warm and dry and bright. The biome is full of colour, and there are artefacts and places to eat which are indicative of the Mediterranean, Middle East and Far East. Here we are in the Mediterranean biome. You can see here behind me we've got bougainvillea, which we've seen growing all over the world. This really is about the warm temperate zones of the world, which includes the southern tip of Africa, the whole of the Middle East, and right the way across to the Far East. From inside the biome you can see the gutters which collect the rainwater and which are collected. We like the idea of growing herbs in terracotta pots and plan to do this at home next year. It's the sort of thing that even those with very limited space can do. We also found different varieties such as these tomatoes a possibility for the future. It was interesting to see what tobacco looks like growing and once it has been dried. The biome has various educational messages. An interesting sustainability initiative is to find wild relatives of commercial plants that are resistant to climate change and disease. We need to collect the seed, save them safely, and then carry out breeding trials to make the most of them. This also includes pre-breeding, which isolates desired genetic traits and introduces them into modern cultivars. The plant life in this region is diverse, and there are plants of all sizes, including very tall trees and down to grasses. The fynbos of South Africa claims to have more indigenous plant species than anywhere else in the world, and it includes proteas. At first glance the fynbos may not seem to be that interesting, but look closer and many of the plants are very beautiful. As well as the arid and dry areas, there are areas with water in the form of waterfalls. This is ideal for ferns which need humidity. In the more arid areas there are palms and flowering plants, and these are also cultivated, and this part of the biome shows typical gardens of the Mediterranean area. Throughout this area there are many plants with colourful flowers, including hibiscus, which are widely distributed across the region, and many other plants such as bananas. There's a trail of gold as we leave the Mediterranean biome. We then moved from the Mediterranean biome through to the rainforest, which you can see in another video. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please like it. And if you haven't already done so, then please subscribe by pressing the button on the screen. There's another video suggested for you to watch, and we hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much. Bye.